Don Pettit is a NASA astronaut with a unique passion, capturing the beauty of Earth and space through the lens of his camera. Over the course of his time aboard the International Space Station, ISS, Pettit has become well known for his long-exposure photography, a technique that allows him to document the dynamic movements of Earth as seen from space. His images provide us with a breathtaking perspective of our planet that few have ever witnessed. In his latest series of photos, Pettit captured the lights of cities below the ISS as it orbits 400 kilometers, about 250 miles, above Earth. The bright streaks of urban life, moving below him, offer a mesmerizing view of a world in constant motion. These photographs go beyond mere artistry. They serve as a reminder of how interconnected we are, despite the vast distances between countries and cities. From Pettit's vantage point, the divisions of borders and geography disappear, leaving only the shared glow of human life visible from space. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring sight. Join me as we dive into Pettit's journey, exploring his vision of Earth from above and the incredible moments he captures that remind us of our place in the universe. Stay tuned as we uncover more of his stunning works, from glowing auroras to the fiery reentry of space missions. You won't want to miss what comes next. If you're as fascinated by these images of Earth from space as I am, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into space exploration. Make sure to like the video and share it with others who share your passion for the wonders of space. Don Pettit's long-exposure photographs are nothing short of mesmerizing, but what makes them truly remarkable is the way they capture Earth's lights in motion. Imagine standing 400 kilometers above the planet, watching as entire cities, highways, and coastlines stretch out before you, illuminated by human activity. Pettit's images offer a glimpse into this surreal perspective, as the ISS hurtles around the Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour. From this altitude and speed, city lights don't stand still, they streak across the surface, creating long, glowing trails that reflect the vibrant life happening far below. One of Pettit's latest photographs captured the sprawling lights of cities across the United States and Mexico. These aren't static points of light like we're used to seeing from the ground or in satellite images. Instead, the long-exposure technique allows us to see Earth's rotation in real time, with the lights blurring together, symbolizing a world constantly in motion. The curvature of the Earth frames the image, emphasizing the vast scale of the planet compared to the narrow band of human civilization hugging its surface. What makes these photos even more striking is their dual nature. They are both scientific and artistic. They remind us of the sheer speed at which the ISS orbits the planet and the continuous movement of Earth itself. At the same time, they evoke a sense of wonder at how our world, so small in the context of the universe, glows brightly against the dark backdrop of space. Pettit's eye for detail transforms these technical photos into profound visual experiences. Through his camera lens, Pettit doesn't just show us a view of Earth, he invites us to reflect on the beauty and fragility of our existence here. Each streak of light represents millions of lives, each city a hub of human activity, and from this distance, the differences between them vanish, leaving behind only a shared radiance. Stay with me as we move deeper into Pettit's collection, where the lights of human civilization meet the natural brilliance of phenomena like the aurora borealis. The breathtaking contrasts between nature's glow and our own creations will leave you in awe. One of the most awe-inspiring phenomena captured by Don Pettit from the International Space Station is the aurora borealis, a spectacle that many dream of witnessing from the ground but is even more mesmerizing from space. The auroras, also known as northern lights or southern lights, depending on the hemisphere, are caused by energetic particles from the sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. These particles collide with gases like oxygen and nitrogen, resulting in a dazzling display of lights that dance across the sky, painting it in shades of green, pink, red, and sometimes violet. But seeing an aurora from the ISS is a completely different experience. From his unique vantage point, Pettit isn't just observing the aurora from beneath, as we do on Earth, he's witnessing it from the side, at eye level. This means the vibrant, ethereal colors are no longer confined to the horizon but stretch across the entire expanse of space in front of him. The northern lights appear like great, shimmering curtains of light wrapping around the planet, glowing against the vast, pitch-black backdrop of the universe. Pettit's photographs of the aurora capture this ethereal beauty, offering a perspective that very few people will ever experience firsthand. From space, the aurora seems to ripple and flow like liquid light, almost as if Earth itself is alive and radiating energy. These photos offer a humbling reminder of the delicate balance between the sun and our planet, the cosmic forces at play that create such breathtaking natural beauty. What's truly remarkable is the contrast Pettit captures in these images, the natural glow of the auroras versus the human-made lights of the cities far below. As the auroras dance across the upper atmosphere, the city lights blur together beneath them, grounding the scene in the reality of life on Earth. In one frame, Pettit manages to encapsulate the magnificence of both the natural world and the bustling human activity that takes place far below in its glow. This duality serves as a powerful reflection on the interconnectedness of our world with the greater universe. The auroras, formed by the sun's energy interacting with Earth's magnetic field, symbolize the constant exchange of energy between our planet and the cosmos. Meanwhile, the steady glow of city lights beneath them reminds us of our own place in this vast, interconnected system. Pettit's photos capture this meeting of worlds, the natural and the human-made, creating a visual harmony that speaks to the delicate balance of life on Earth. And yet, as magnificent as these images are, there's still more to Pettit's story. His creativity doesn't stop at documenting natural phenomena, he's also captured moments from groundbreaking space missions. Stay with me as we move into the next chapter of Pettit's work, where he turns his lens to the fiery return of the Polaris Dawn mission, offering a rare glimpse of space exploration from a front-row seat in orbit. Don Pettit's work extends far beyond capturing the serene beauty of Earth's lights and natural wonders. He has also had the unique opportunity to document some of the most dramatic moments in space exploration. One of the most striking examples of this is his capture of the reentry of the Polaris Dawn mission. Funded by billionaire entrepreneur Jared Isaacman, the Polaris Dawn mission is part of a series of privately funded spaceflights aimed at advancing human space exploration. Pettit, always ready with his camera, managed to immortalize the climactic conclusion of this mission in a way few could ever imagine. From his vantage point aboard the ISS, Pettit had a front-row seat to the fiery spectacle of the Polaris Dawn crew returning to Earth. As the SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule re-entered the atmosphere, Pettit's lens captured the intense heat generated by the spacecraft's descent, with the capsule glowing like a shooting star against the darkness of space. The friction created by the capsule re-entering the Earth's atmosphere causes the surrounding air to ionize, resulting in a bright, fiery trail, an extraordinary event that Pettit caught in stunning detail. The re-entry is both a moment of technological triumph and a testament to the courage of those aboard. What makes these images so special is not just their rarity. After all, few have the chance to witness a spacecraft's re-entry from above, but also the way Pettit captures the intense power and vulnerability of space travel in a single frame. The Crew Dragon capsule, sleek and cone-shaped, hurtles through the atmosphere, wrapped in a cocoon of fire, with Earth's vast horizon stretching beneath it. There's a palpable sense of tension in these images, as the fiery trail underscores the dangers of re-entry, while the tiny spacecraft represents the hope and bravery of human exploration. This moment of re-entry, captured through Pettit's lens, also reflects the changing face of space exploration. No longer is it solely the domain of government agencies like NASA. Private companies like SpaceX are pushing the boundaries, taking humans further into space than ever before. Polaris Dawn is just one of many privately funded missions that demonstrate the growing collaboration between private enterprise and government space agencies, and Pettit's photographs immortalize this shift in human history. Beyond the sheer spectacle of the images, there's a deeper symbolism at play. The contrast between the roaring flames of re-entry and the cool, blue curve of Earth's horizon beneath serves as a metaphor for humanity's continued quest to explore the unknown. Space exploration is not without its risks, but the potential rewards, new discoveries, technological advancements, and perhaps even the future of our species, make it a journey worth taking. Pettit's photographs of the Polaris Dawn re-entry remind us of the awe-inspiring moments that occur when humans dare to push the limits of what's possible. These images also serve as a powerful reminder of the fragility of life in space. The Crew Dragon capsule, surrounded by the intense heat of reentry, seems small and vulnerable against the vastness of the cosmos. And yet, this tiny spacecraft is the key to unlocking new frontiers. Pettit's lens captures this delicate balance between human ingenuity and the unforgiving environment of space, providing a visual narrative of the risks and rewards of exploration. Stay with me as we head into the final chapter of Pettit's work, where we'll explore his creative side, including a unique experiment that turned a simple sphere of water into a visual masterpiece, evoking the majestic colors of a gas giant like Jupiter. Don Pettit's creativity doesn't just stop at capturing Earth and space in their natural beauty. During his time aboard the ISS, he found ways to explore the boundaries of physics and art, even in his free time. One of the most memorable experiments he conducted involved creating a floating sphere of water in the microgravity environment of the space station. But Pettit didn't stop there. He added food coloring to the water, transforming it into a mesmerizing, swirling orb that looks strikingly similar to a gas giant planet like Jupiter. This experiment wasn't just about creating something visually stunning, it was a demonstration of how art and science can come together in the most unexpected ways. Pettit's water sphere highlighted the unique conditions of space, where liquids behave in ways that are impossible to replicate on Earth. The colors he added to the water mimicked the storms and swirling clouds we see on Jupiter, creating a miniature, floating version of the massive planet. It's moments like these that remind us of the wonder and curiosity that drive human exploration, not just the quest for knowledge, but the desire to create and experience beauty in the universe. Through his photography and experiments, Don Pettit has shown us that space is not only a place of scientific discovery but also a realm of endless possibilities for creativity. His work continues to inspire a sense of wonder about our place in the cosmos and the incredible things we can achieve when we push the boundaries of what's possible. Just like Pettit's photographs and experiments open our eyes to the beauty and mysteries of space, we too can look beyond the ordinary and explore the unknown. If you're inspired by the incredible images and stories of space exploration, consider subscribing to our channel for more content that dives deep into the wonders of the universe. Don't miss out on the latest discoveries. Like, share, and join us on this journey through space and beyond.